No, about 6 years ago, I had this steel building, purchased it and put it up myself. Wasn't too bad. I've got more friends than money, so that's why I put it up myself. And it's one of the straightest buildings around. But what I did is I built it with the intent, a 16-foot high center, so I could put a lift in here so I can work on my truck. Just following the directions. It was fairly simple. But I got storage for my tillers, lawnmowers, ATVs, motorcycles, canoes. I built a little personal man shack back here, my little hunting paradise, where I got a couple of shelves, got a couple of cabinets in there with my all my hunting gear, be it clothing, accessories, guns, you name it. I got all that hidden back there. I got a nice got cable TV run back there, and phone, a little refrigerator, and I even have a nice leather recliner, so when I want to get away from it all, I can just sit back and relax back there. I got a couple daughters. I built a little clubhouse for them to play around in every now and again. The strongest winds we've had here is about 75 miles an hour, and was only sustained for maybe about 4 or 5 hours, but it didn't. I had more roof damage to my house than I did the building here. But I had no issues with the building whatsoever, none. Real happy with the building. I couldn't be happier. It was money well spent, and I think I'm going to get a lot for my money and get a lot of time out of this building, a lot of use too.